2024 BMW X2 M35i. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something special for you, the 2024 BMW X2 M35i. It's a compact SUV that brings serious performance, cutting-edge tech, and that signature BMW style. So buckle up as we dive into everything you need to know about this impressive vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Here, it's applied to the new X2 crossover that replaces its smaller predecessor and one that is now 2.6 inches longer than the entry-level BMW crossover, the similarly named X1, tested last year. X2 is a step up with a bit more interior and cargo room and starts about $1,500 more. But the tested M35i, M always insinuates sporty and performance for BMW, is the hot rod version with a twin-turbo i4 that kicks out an incredible 312 horsepower, but just the same 295 pound-feet of torque as in the base X2 xDrive 28i version. It offers 241 horsepower, the same as in the X1. So, if power is your thing, and a sweet exhaust tone likewise, the M35i is what you're after. Acceleration is brisk as you'd expect in a sports activity coupe. Plus, there's standard A to V, just like in an SUV or many crossovers. BMW says 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in 5.2 seconds. Their tests put it at 4.4 seconds. That's nearly the same as last week's Mini Clubman, also a twin-turbo BMW model, just cuter. That's not to say the X2 isn't stylish in a sort of mechanical transformer-ish looking way. This has a big blacked-out twin-kidney grille and shutters to aid aerodynamics. And the roofline is lower and sportier looking than the more traditional lines of the X1 crossover. The M35i blacks out some body trim, lowers the suspension and adds big air deflectors front and rear too. Normally, it adds 20-inch tires and wheels, but this one ups the ante with a $1,100 M Sport Professional package that boosts that to 21-inch wheels and R-rated Continental tires. Those tires and the lowered sport-tuned suspension provide an overstiff ride, but deliver on the sporty portion of the M driving experience. Aiding the looks here was a special $2,350 frozen pure gray metallic matte paint job that seemed to perfectly fit the car's look and sporty luxury status. That price seems high, but many luxury models are jacking up special paint pricing. Last year's special paint on the X1 cost just $650 extra, by the way, so profit inflation seems to be at work here. Note too, that most car makers advise against taking any matte paint job through an automatic car wash. These should only be washed by hand so as not to damage the delicate matte finish. On the plus side, the X2 was drenched by rain several times and never hinted at spotting up, other than the windshield. Inside, BMW, like its German cousin Mercedes, has gone over to the bright multicolored design philosophy. Mercedes loves red and black leather interiors, so too BMW's X2. This one is spiffy indeed, with red leather seats trimmed in black, plus red leather inserts in the door panels, along with chrome Harman Kardon stereo speaker grills. The black textured dash features dimpled metal trim. Seats themselves are extremely supportive and wrap the front seat occupants in a luxury grip that includes a manual lower cushion extension to help long-legged drivers. Front seats are heated, as is the steering wheel, but this costs $550 extra, a surprising add-on for a luxury make. Rear seats would easily hold 2 adults, and there's reasonable cargo space under the power rear hatch. X2's steering wheel is among the thickest leather-wrapped numbers I've driven, but not so comfy for those of us with more dainty digits. I do like the red leather stripe marking the wheel's top center, but too bad these M-style BMW wheels aren't flat-bottomed to better reflect the sporty nature of their SAC, when one might expect a power wheel from a major luxury brand. The BMW's dash touts a curved dual digital screen, so nice for the driver to see, and clear visuals for the instrument panel and info screen. I even could figure out the radio here, so kudos to BMW for improving that. Touchscreens are the way to go, not round knobs on the console. Of course, the KH stereo sounded grand. Under the center stack is a wireless phone charger while overhead is a panoramic sunroof. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching.